Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel, Heritage Diesel. Today we're working on a Room Bear Freightliner business class, like M102. It's got a Eaton Spicer 2-speed rear end, model number 23082T. Okay. I've got a really cool kit here from, let's see if I can switch this around. Guess not. From Eaton Spindle. Eaton Spindle. You can see that or not? 4707-2. Right? This thing is really cool. Basically, you cut the old spindle off. I can show you that. It's right here. Okay. 82 millimeters. All right, 82 millimeters out from the face, the brake spider face. You cut it off, grind it smooth. You make sure that this bushing is flush with no air gaps in there. Tack weld it. I'll grind these mounts off, pull this ring off, finish the welding, and then slide this puppy on. Right there. This customer will be back in business. Now, take a look at that. Oof, it's awful. Okay. See how bad that is? It's hard to show you. Well, you can see a little bit right there. How the axle actually broke off, and bearings failed, axle broke, axle shaft ground into this housing, into the spindle. I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of egg-shaped, right? The nut, the outer bearing, the inner race on the outer bearing split. The nut was, I couldn't even I had to cut it off. It was terrible. Anyway, this is all going back on. It was about $1,000 shipped next day air, so I had like $230 in shipping. The kit itself was roughly $800. What a cool kit. This is going to bolt right onto the brake mount, and then the brakes will bolt through that. ABS sensor sits in here. We'll be back in business. Really cool kit. AxleSpindle.com. They've got kits for F350s, F450s, Eaton Spicer, Dana, all kind, like trailers, all kinds of stuff. Really cool kit. Saving this customer a couple grand with the housing. So I highly recommend them. And I'll do a follow-up once I've got all this installed. Let you guys see what this is all about. If you didn't like and subscribe, please do. Got about a video a week, just going over, truck and trailer maintenance and repair. We do kind of everything around here. This type of stuff, engine rebuilds, transmission rebuilds. I've got an Allison 1000 out of a Duramax powered Chevy that we're going to be doing. That's next on the docket. We do Bobcat repair here, all kinds of stuff, tractors, trucks, equipment, you know, small compact construction equipment. Keep posted. I'll be making more videos and hopefully sharing some of the stuff that I know and also learning from you guys. So thanks for watching.